Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start the new series of tutorials on Conga platform. So you all know that Conga is a market leader in providing quote to case solutions. Previously Conga was available on Salesforce only. Now Conga has come up with their own platform called Conga Platform to extend the support of those solutions on other platforms. Okay, so I would like to thank Conga for providing me the access of the new platform, the Conga platform. Without that, this series won't be possible. So thanks Conga. Today we are going to see catalog crafting. So the base of any CPQ software is catalog, where you show the products. Okay, so we are going to see this catalog crafting using Conga platform today. First of all, we are going to see Conga the revenue company, then the architecture of Conga platform. Then we are going to see what is Conga CPQ, what is catalog in it, how does it look like, and how to set up that. Okay, Conga the revenue company. So Conga is a SaaS application provider, renders enterprise class application for end-to-end management of their business function. So Conga helps these enterprises providing those code to cash solutions. Okay. Architecture. So on the top of the image, you can see the user experience, whether it's a Conga UX, your own UX, Salesforce, or any experience that are coming into future. Okay, that means you can use Conga on any of that. Okay, or with any of the user experience. Now you can see at the downside, you can see the global cloud infrastructure, which includes AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure. Previously, you would not be able to use those solutions on this cloud platform, but now since Conga went platform agnostic, you can use these solutions on different platforms. Okay, so what does this mean, right? So on any UX experience, on any Google Cloud, any clouds like Google Cloud, AWS, or Microsoft Azure, now Conga's solutions are available. Okay, how do you use that then? Okay, so Conga has come up with the API first approach, right? So whatever solution you want to use, you call the API, they'll give you the data, right? And you render it. Okay, so the proposal quote, the quote creation, right? Or quote, see Conga CPQ, CLM, contract, billing, there's subscription management. If you want to use Conga Composer, approvals, orchestration, Xauthor, everything is a REST call away, right? Okay, so this way Conga's API first approach will help the other providers or other customers to use the Conga's code to cash solution on their own platform, or whether they are on AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, they can use it. So that is how the architecture is. Now what is Conga CPQ? So Conga CPQ stands for Conga's Configure Price and Quote Solution. Conga CPQ is the robust configure, premium, and quote suite that enables the salespeople to quote complex goods and services fast and accurately. Now, what is catalog? So, a catalog is a list of things which will be available for sale on a platform. So, you go to Amazon, you can see their catalog, which includes product selection, sorting, search, navigation, easy navigation, category, subcategory, refine your search. Everything is available over there, right? So that can be set up using Conga as well. So a well-structured catalog which involves following things: category and subcategory, easy search, refine your search. You want to drill down your search more, then you can use refine search, sorting, easy navigation, right? That we talked about, right? Now, how does it look like? So on the very left hand side, you can say all category, which is a parent category, and solution, license, and services are subcategory. You can see refine your search. Over here you can see product selection screen, where you can see product details like product name, description, product code. If you want to search, if you want to purchase anything, you just hit add to cart and you purchased it. So easy purchase. You can see sorting, you can see easy search as well, and we are going to see how this can be configured. Okay, so let's review it. Okay, so right now I am on Conga platform, but I'll show you in a while. Before that, as we talked about previously, right? Now Conga has their own platform. You configure everything over there, and if you want to use it somewhere else, you can use it. So right now I'm using it on Salesforce. So there is a button called configure product RLS. I'll just click it. and meanwhile we'll go to Conga platform. Okay, so whenever you land on the page of Conga platform, you see different apps, right? So management apps, CX Studio, contract app, dev console, admin console, and revenue app. Now let's talk about this CX Studio. So Conga has created a CX Studio framework to maintain the uniformity on each and every page that they are providing in Conga platform. Okay, so this has made a uniformity across all the pages of Conga's revenue admin page. Okay, so let me go over here and let me click on revenue app, which will take up to the revenue app, and I'll click on this revenue admin. Okay, so over here you can create your data like product, catalog, product group, attribute. So all the data, all the master data of the customer now can be created using Conga's revenue admin utility. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to create the category, but before that let me show you a record. So this was the page that I was talking about, which was created using Conga's own CX Studio framework, which they have built on their own. It's an in-house app for them. You can edit the app. So all these things, you see the layouts in Salesforce, right? This is similar to that. You can build anything. You can manage your layout using this. Okay. So this is the CX Studio which we were talking about. Now let's move and let's see the catalog. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to create the new catalog, but before that let me go to Salesforce. So when I clicked on that configure page, it actually went to Conga platform and see if there are any information with this price list. We are not having any information available for that price list because we are going to configure it right now. So that's where it shows nothing. But clicking on that button has navigated to a page which is getting data from the platform. So that's the integration that happened. Okay, so now what I do is I'll click new and we'll create the category. So I clicked refresh button, but that's fine. So over here I can write all categories, right? And I just save it. Okay, so category got created. I want to have different subcategories. If you have any existing subcategory, you can easily relate it over here, right? But since I don't have, I'll create the new category called solution. It's a subcategory to all category. You can easily see over here. I'll add another subcategory called licenses. I'll add another subcategory called services. Okay, and just save it. Now what I have to do is I have to associate the price list so that on that particular price list those categories are visible. So I'll associate the price list called Conga price list. And we are done. Okay, let me just go over here and refresh. Let's wait and let's see whether those categories and subcategories are visible over here or not. So let's see. Those are visible now, right? You see, solution, licenses, services. So the navigation is also easy, as you see, right? Now we are not seeing any product because we haven't associated any. Okay, so what I'll do over here, I'll click on add product and I'll search for Conga. I found some products and I have associated this. I'll go to license, I'll come over here, I'll search for platform licenses and I can use this and associate it. I'll go to service, I'll add the product called support and support services being added. Now if I go over here, right, and refresh it, those products will be easily available over here in the categories where we have associated, subcategories where we have associated them. Okay, if I go to main category, I can see all of them. If I go to solution, I can see only 4 products because I have related 4 products only. Okay, so you see how easy it was. Previously in Salesforce, you have to run bunch of batch jobs or maintenance job to get this done. Over here, it is simple click, you save it and it is available over there, right? Now, let's go and see the refine your search, which was available or which was shown on that page, right, over here. So it's not visible over here. So how would we configure it? Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to all categories, go to detail, and there is something called search filter feed. So I want to provide the refined search based on product type fields. So I'll just select this and I'll save it, and let's just refresh this. Let's wait for that to get loaded. And if I go over here, you can see your refine your search coming up. It's an easy, right? Without running any maintenance, anything, you get it, right? So that's the beauty. Okay, now let's say I want to drill down my search, right? So I have searched something called Conga, right? I can see that these are the products those are coming up which belongs to the same product type, so we cannot drill down that, but let's drill down based on all categories. So these are all the products available in category, parent category, and I'll just click services. That means all the services will be visible. I'll remove that and I'll click, that's a license, so all the license product will be visible. If I go over here and click solution or check solution, then only solution products are visible. Okay, now I'll untick this. We have seen the easy search as well. Here is the navigation of let's say pagination, right? So I have taken up max 5 products, right? So pagination is 1 to 5 and rest 6 to 10. I have only 6 products, so I can just click on next page and I can see the single product. Okay, again this is highly configurable. You can configure how many products you want to see on the first page. Okay, so that is what Conga is capable of. Everything is configurable. Now you want to sort, so it is ascending sort, you can sort by descending order as well. Again this is configurable, you can configure this step. If you want to purchase something, you just hit add to cart and it's being purchased. You see over here that the pricing will get calculated 5400, which is the price for this. So it's easy navigation as well. Alright, so this is how you can use Conga platform to define or create a well structured catalog. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. We are coming up with more videos which is related to product configuration, bundle configuration, pricing, right? So stay tuned for those videos. Please like and share the content and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you very much.